Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to attach the mop velcro for your Viomi SE. So in order to do that, first thing you need to take this attachment out of the box and then put the velcro mop on it, just like the shape indicates. The best way to do it is simply just put it on the table and then insert it like the shape indicates, like that. So it looks something like that. Now turn your Viomi upside down, and in this side, the opposite side from the blue wheel right here, you'll be able to attach the velcro like that. Simply put it in and push it until you hear the click sound. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.